Hello everyone. I want to make this short video to show you how you can access the online resources for the Cambridge Math book. So the first thing you need to do is get out your learner's book and open to the front cover, and it says your access code. You will then scratch off the gray bar with something a little bit blunt and hard, and you will get a code. Then you will follow the steps that are listed below. So the first thing you need to do is go to cambridge.org/go. You can find that in your book. Once you go to cambridge.org/go, you will go to create a student account. You really need to link this with your Google. Use of course, the school email, but also use the same password. Your email goes there. You confirm your email, first name, password. It gives you the requirements. You do that. Then you accept the terms and you continue with an email. Please make sure your email address is correct, that it sends you the right one. Then you need to go into your email address and confirm it and go in that way. Once you are inside of the Cambridge Go site, you will have a button right here that says add new resource. You click on that and then you enter the 16-digit code with numbers and letters from the page cover of your book to this. And this will grant you 1 year of access. So that is how you sign up for the math book. We will be doing a lot of number sets in this because you can actually store math work and take practice quizzes and things like that. So we will be using this. You do need to keep the password, keep everything secure. This is a one-time shot, so please manage your resources correctly. And it will, once you add the resource, you will have this. You click on that, and then you will look for what you have, which is the student or the learner's book. It tells you how many days. You click that open, and now you can access the book. Hopefully, once we get the science books, you will have the same thing, and it will all be in one place. This is the Cambridge Lower Secondary Math books. You can get all the chapters you need. Now this is where you can access practice. You go into whatever chapter. The book is under resources, but exercises, you click on that and you can do questions, you can do the work, you can type, you can draw. It does allow you to check the answer. Then see, you get your results. You can do a number of different problems on these and keep trying. Like I said, these are resources. Then you have different games that you can play if you would like. And then there are quizzes and different games that you can play to go through. So that is how you use the resource for the math book to access online.